Hello everyone, my name is Manish Rana. In this session, we will understand the concept of intercompany transaction in Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central. Before moving to the system demonstration, let's first understand the business need and basic introduction of intercompany. So, what is intercompany? Intercompany transaction refer to the transactions that take place between two or more companies that belong to the same parent group but operate as a separate legal entities. In simple terms, when one company within a group sells goods or services to another company of the same group, it is known as intercompany transaction. Why intercompany transaction is required? In large organization, multiple companies operate under a single parent group. These companies may be located at different locations or may handle different business operations such as manufacturing, sales, or services. In such cases, internal sale and purchase of goods or shared services like HR, IT, or finance require proper financial tracking. That's why intercompany functionality is required. Real life example. Under the Tata Group, multiple companies operate as separate legal entities such as Tata Motors, Tata Steel, and Tata Power. If Tata Motor purchases raw material from Tata Steel, this transaction is considered as an intercompany transaction because both companies belong to the same parent group but maintain separate financial records. Let's understand business scenario. In an intercompany scenario, company A may sell goods to company B and company B records the purchase from company A. Even though both companies belong to the same group, they maintain separate accounting entries for compliance and reporting purpose. Next slide is manual versus automated intercompany. If intercompany transactions are handled manually, it may lead to duplicate entries, errors, and time-consuming processes. So how we can solve it? We can solve it through automated process of intercompany. Using automated intercompany functionality in Business Central helps in automatic document creation, real-time posting, reduced manual effort, and improved efficiency. Intercompany in Business Central. In Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central, when a sales invoice is created in company A, the system can automatically generate a corresponding purchase invoice in company B using intercompany functionality. Intercompany master data required. To implement intercompany in Business Central, certain master data configuration are required, such as intercompany partner setup, customer and vendor mapping, chart of accounts mapping, item mapping, and dimension mapping. Here in this slide, you can see intercompany process flow. In the intercompany process, company A creates a sales order and sends to the intercompany partner, company B, then receive it as a purchase order, processes the transaction, and post the invoice. This result in financial impact in both companies simultaneously. Benefits. Intercompany functionality eliminates manual posting, increased transaction accuracy, speeds up the process, ensure transparency in financial reporting, and makes financial consolidation easier. Now that we have understood the intercompany concept and its business requirement, let's move to the system demonstration in Business Central to understand the complete intercompany process step by step. Currently, I'm in a parent company. This will act as our selling company. We will configure this company as an intercompany partner with another company, which will be our purchasing company. So uh, let's global search here for intercompany setup. Company setup, here it is. We need to configure this setup. and fill all the mention, all the details here so that our intercompany transaction runs smoothly. First, we need to set intercompany partner code. Let me tell you about what is intercompany partner code. Basically, in this field, you need to enter a unique intercompany code for the parent company. This code is used to identify the company during intercompany transaction. I have given this parent company unique partner code, which is JRS. Okay, uh, JRS. Okay, so next step is IC inbox type, intercompany inbox type. In this field, select database. This indicates that intercompany documents will be exchanged through the database. Next option is synchronization partner. This field is not related to transaction posting. Its purpose is to automatically synchronize master data such as GL accounts and dimension between company. And if synchronization is not required, this field can be left blank. Okay, I left it blank currently. And next step is intercompany inbox detail. In this field, you can enter detail about the database. This field is optional and not mandatory. Next is auto send transaction. This is a boolean actually and controls how intercompany documents are created. If this boolean is set to true, any sales order or purchase order sent to the partner company will be created automatically in the partner company. If this field is set to false, then when a sales order is sent from the parent company to the subsidiary company, the purchase order will not be created automatically. Instead, the document will appear in the intercompany inbox and the user must manually accept it. Only after acceptance will the purchase order be created. Next option is transaction notification. So this boolean is set to true. A confirmation message will appear on the screen after sending the document, indicating that the transaction has been successfully sent to the partner company. Next field is default intercompany journal template. So this field here you need to define the journal template that will be used for intercompany related journal entries. Okay. Next is our default intercompany journal batch. In this field, you need to specify the journal batch that will be used whenever an intercompany journal entry is created. Okay. After completing the intercompany setup, the next step is to add intercompany partner. Okay. Uh, on the intercompany setup screen, you will find the option to add intercompany partner. Okay. I already added my partner here. So I'm gonna open up this for you and show you directly the field detail. Once selected, the intercompany card will open. On this card, you need to enter and maintain all the details related to the partner company. These details are used to manage and control intercompany transaction between the parent company and the partner company. Okay. So first you need to set with the general and the field is transfer type. This field defines how intercompany data will be transferred between companies. When database is selected, intercompany transactions are exchanged within the same business central database. Okay. My company name. So here you select the partner company name from the list of companies available in the business central environment. I have already selected this one. Okay. And you have to give a code for your partner company, and this field is mandatory. Okay, enter a unique intercompany partner code to identify the partner company during intercompany transaction. So I gave this code JRS Dynamics to my partner company. Name, this field will automatically generate when you select company name, or you can edit this by yourself, whatever you want to give the name. Next is country region code. Specify the country or region of the partner company. This is useful for reporting, tax, and compliance purposes. Currency code here. Define the currency in which intercompany transaction will be processed with this partner company. If left blank, the local currency of the company will be used. And next is auto accept transaction. This Boolean field controls whether incoming intercompany documents are accepted automatically. If is it set to true, incoming intercompany documents such as orders or journals will be automatically accepted and created. If set to off, incoming document will remain in the intercompany inbox and must be manually accepted by the user. Next is blocked. If this boolean is turned on, intercompany transaction with this partner company will be blocked and no new document can be exchanged. Okay, let's move to the next section, which is a sales transaction. Here you need to configure the customer. You need to specify the customer number that represent the intercompany partner in sales transaction. This customer is used when sales documents are created for the partner company. Here I selected the partner company customer. Okay, this customer represent my partner company. And next is receivable account. You have to define the GL account that will be used as the receivable account for intercompany sales transaction. Next is outbound sales item number type. Basically, this fields define the document type that will be created in the partner company when a sales transaction is sent. Okay, and you will see three options here for order, common item number, and item reference number. Okay, so whenever you do transaction, like if like you created a sales order here and you selected the item, and that item code should be same as in my partner company, uh, so that our system will automatically automatically configure that item and complete our intercompany transaction. If so item code matching is very important. Let me show you item card. Like I'm talking about this item code. Okay, same item need to be create in our partner company. If this code is not same in our partner company, transaction will not run successfully. No matter if the description is different, but code need to be same in both companies. Okay, hope you understand. uh, Next is common item number. In common item number, no matter if the item code is different or item name is different, but their common item number, this number should be same in both company. After that, system will automatically uh, verify and complete the transaction. Okay. Let me show you whether you will find common item number in item card. Here, here you will see common item number. You can mention any of your any detail here, and this should be same done in partner company item. Uh, no matter if the code is different and description is different, common item number should be same. Only that after transaction will run successfully. Okay, so same goes with the item reference number. Item reference number. If item reference number of both item in both partner company will be the same, then our transaction will run successfully. Currently, I set it in order. Okay. Next is purchase transaction. Same. You have to configure vendor for intercompany transaction. I already configured that, and you need to define GL account here, payable accounts, and same how my how system will identify the item through code, which is order. Okay, hope you guys understand this much. And one more important point to note: when mapping customer and vendor in the intercompany partner, you must also map the partner company inside the respective customer and vendor card. Let me open the customer card and show you where to add partner. Yes, as you can see, there is an option called intercompany partner code. Okay, here you need to assign your partner company, which is JRS Dynamic, Only JRS Dynamic will show here cause I added JRS Dynamic as a intercompany partner in intercompany partner setup. So only this will shown here. So you need to configure in a customer and vendor card as well. So, okay, this means whenever you create a sales transaction for this customer, the system will automatically generate a purchase order in mapped partner company. Okay. Once this setup is completed, your intercompany transaction will run successfully. Now let's proceed to create a sales order and execute the intercompany process. Um, okay, so let's do it. Sales order, create new one, take our partner customer, which is Techno Technova Limited. Okay, select the date as per your requirement. Okay, I have selected the date. Let's fill up the item line. So I have selected the item XYZ finished good, and from which location my inventory is going. I have to fill up the location code also. Without this, my order will show error while posting. So location is blue. From blue warehouse, my inventory will. So quantity, I am giving quantity 12. Okay, 12, and unit price will be 650 for each quantity. The total amount is after including tax, well, it is 9,750. Okay, so we are all set. Our sales order is created, and now we will send this document to our partner company. Okay, so you need to click on Action tab, then Function, and you will see the option here, Send IC Sales Order. Okay, and you will see the option here like create purchase order or create purchase invoice. You want to uh, create direct purchase order or create direct invoice, but this isn't your hand. I think so. If you don't want to send your sales order from here, you can directly post or ship your order from here. It will directly create a purchase order there, and you need to receive the purchase order there. After that, you can, when you post your purchase order into the invoice, automatically system will create here a sales invoice. Okay, so currently I'm doing this function. I'm using this function, action function, and then sales IC order. Okay, now you will see a message is popping up. An entry of a document this has been created as an intercompany transaction. This the entry was automatically sent to IC partner JRS Dynamics. Okay, in intercompany setup, we have true the boolean of transaction notification. Because of that, this pop-up message appear on our screen, upper document screen after sending the document. Okay, our document is sent and the status is released. How you can check that our sales order is sent? You can check in outbox. Like handled outbox will show you the successful transaction, and normal intercompany outbox transaction means there is some issue that order is in still normal outbox. So here it is, our order is sent to our partner company. Now let's open up our partner company. I already duplicated the tab, and I opened up the our partner company, which is JRS Dynamic Info Solutions. Now let's check here for inbox, handled inbox. In this inbox, you will see our document is accepted by our partner company automatically. Because of that boolean, we have turned to true auto accept transaction. Because of that, the system automatically accepted our document and created the purchase order. Okay, now let's check our purchase order list. See, document date this, and the purchase order is here. Let's check. Let's verify the detail here. Yeah, we have sell the XYX finished good, and quantity is 12, and each quantity cost is 650, and after total inclusion VAT 9,750, which is correct. The information is very correct. We have successfully received the document here, and system successfully generated our document into purchase order, and the process, all over the process run successfully. So that's how it is done. Now we can post this purchase order. Okay, we can complete this process. Post, receive, and invoice. So our document is posted. So this completes the intercompany transaction process between two companies in Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central. Using this functionality, organization can automate internal transaction, reduce manual effort, and maintain accurate financial record across multiple legal entities. Thank you for watching this video.